In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a PowerPoint presentation with your face. This is a great way to add a personal touch to your slides, whether you're teaching a class, sharing a project update, or sending a polished pitch. We'll walk through the process from start to finish so you feel confident hitting record. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint and load the presentation you want to record. Take a moment to finalize your slides, check your images, animations, and speaker notes. Close any apps that might pop up notifications, and if you're using an external microphone or camera, make sure they're connected and selected in your system settings. Next, head to the Recording tab in the ribbon at the top. This is your control center for capturing your slideshow with narration and video. If your interface looks a little different, don't worry. PowerPoint may label it as Record or Record Slideshow, but it leads to the same recording experience. Click Record or Record Slideshow to open the dedicated recording window. Here you'll see your current slide, navigation controls, and options for camera and microphone. This space is designed to capture both your slides and your webcam video so your audience can see you while you present. Look to the bottom right corner for the camera icon. If it's crossed out, click it to enable your webcam. You should now see a small preview of your face. Adjust your lighting so your face is clear, position the camera at eye level, and frame yourself from the shoulders up. Speak at a comfortable volume. If you see an audio meter, make sure it's moving as you talk. When you're ready, click the large red record button at the top left. You'll get a brief countdown. Use that moment to take a breath and smile. After the countdown, start presenting. Speak clearly and naturally as if you're in front of a live audience. Move through your slides using the arrow or next button. Your webcam video and your narration will be captured along with each slide, so short pauses between slides can help create clean transitions. When you reach the end of your presentation, click the stop button in the recording window. Then close the recording mode by clicking the X in the top right corner to return to your main slides. Your video and audio are now embedded in the corresponding slides. Play back your presentation to review timing, audio clarity, and how your video appears. Tweak anything you need and you're set. Using this method, you can create engaging, professional quality presentations that show both your content and your personality. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.